So today we're going to talk a little bit about what a maintenance wash is and really the importance of ceramic coating your car and why those two things go hand in hand. Just to give you a little bit of a background on the car that you're looking at, it's a 2014 Honda Accord. It's got about 152,000 miles on it. It's a daily driver. This is a car that I put about 30,000 miles a year on. And really just in the traffic of LA, you know what we have to deal with in Southern California. You know, it's definitely not just something that's sitting in the driveway. So this particular car, when I picked it up, I noticed right off the bat that it had some pretty damaged paint. It looked like it perhaps was in the snow prior to me owning it, and someone had scraped the snow off the trunk, the roof, and the hood of the car. Had some very deep scratches in the clear coat. The paint was just a mess. So I definitely put the time in, did the full paint correction, and then ceramic coated it using a Chemical Guys Charge. Now with Chemical Guys Charge, you'll hear different things about this product. Some people don't like it because it doesn't last as long, but I find when I'm using a ceramic coating, especially the light versions, I'm reapplying often enough that those things just don't matter. Because when that ceramic starts to wear off, I just simply reapply. I just do a nice iron decon, clay bar, and reapply. So this particular vehicle, you're not going to see the contact wash. I did do a contact wash. I used the one bucket method, which is just 5 or 6 towels in the solution. You use a towel per panel working top to bottom. The towel never hits the solution twice. I had already cleaned the wheels, and so really I just wanted to show you the foam. I'm using CARPRO Reset, which is just hands down the favorite car shampoo, you know, of so many people who just enjoy washing their cars. It's just fantastic. Just the way it just works is great. You know, you see me here blowing off just all the problem spots, blowing off the rims, blowing off all the cracks so that that water doesn't run out after you start to drive it or leave streaks on your car. You know, this is really just best practice. In following blowing it, you know, of course, just drying it. That is the Rag Company Gauntlet, which is a great towel, very soft, holds tons of water. I do like this method, which is a squeegee, low pile microfiber towel using Stoner Invisiglass. The glass was obviously scrubbed when I washed it, and so now I'm just putting some final touches on it. But glass tends to be one of the more neglected areas of a car wash, whether it's a maintenance wash or a full detail. This is something that you pay attention to. It's a lot of surface area on your vehicle and can really make or break how nice your car looks. Of course, any maintenance wash isn't complete without giving some love to the inside of your car. This is where you spend the most of your time. I like to use the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Graphene Interior Cleaner. This has quickly become one of my favorite interior cleaners. It smells great. It just works so good on just a variety of surfaces. It's an all-in-one. I even use it on leather now, and it's great. Then here's your final result. And this is really the point. Why you ceramic coat, why you have maintenance washes, and the importance of the maintenance wash and how great your car can look with just a very simple wash. There's no top coat here. I have not waxed it. This is just the original ceramic maintenance wash and just giving the car some love. This particular car wash probably took me 30 minutes tops, and that's just the end result. I mean, if you look at that, I mean, it just, again, for a car that has 152,000 miles on it, that sits in a lot of traffic, it just looks great. So you might ask, why ceramic? That's it right there, the final shot. Of course, no car wash is complete without talking a little bit about the products used here. CARPRO Reset, just a fantastic soap. I mean, again, one of the favorites. You have Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions, the Graphene Acrylic Tire Shine, another good product. Of course, Stoner Invisiglass, which is just a must-have. And then the Gauntlet Towel by the Rag Company. Thanks for watching, everybody.